बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। रटना नहीं है समझना है। माय नेम इज सजिदा रजा। आई एम स्टूडेंट ऑफ क्लास 4. माय स्कूल नेम इज फैजान इस्लामिक स्कूल सिस्टम, Hyderabad, Pakistan. Today we are going to learn grade 8 all maths for all science commerce group, new syllabus, mathematics book 3, 7th edition, chapter number 1, quadratic equation and functions. Exercise 1.1, solving quadratic by completing the square intermediate level B3 type question. Question number 5, solve each of the following equations. Okay, so also the form of quadratic equations are written and the methods. And today we are going to learn the completing the square method. Also the book answers and the steps are written. We are going to start this book 3 O levels, as you can see. Okay, so the first step is convert into standard form. So first of all, we will divide this. So first of all, here will come x square minus 3x is equal to 5x plus 1. Then this will become here x square minus 3x minus 5x minus 1 is equal to 0. We have a possibility to solve this. So here will come x square minus 8x minus 1 is equal to 0. Now use coefficient of x, divide by 2, square it, put on both sides and solve. Okay. So here will come x square minus 8x minus 1 plus is equal to 8 upon 2 whole square is 8 upon 2 whole square. This can cut 2 1s are to 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are to 2 4s are 8. So x square minus 8 x minus 1 plus 4 whole square is equal to plus 4 whole square. Okay. Now use a plus b whole square formula or a minus b whole square formula. First of all, this will be go there. So x square minus 8x plus 4 plus 1. Now we can use a minus b whole square formula. So here will come x minus 4 whole square is equal to, now we can 4 4 is 16 plus 1 17, x minus 4 whole square is equal to 17. Now take radical on both sides. Okay. Is equal to plus minus radical 17. Now we can cut this. So now take radical on both sides. Now we will make the two equations. So here will come x minus 4 is equal to radical 17, then x minus 4 is equal to minus radical 17. Now square root is 4.1231. X minus 4 is equal to 4.1231. And I am solving both in the one time. Minus 4.1231. Now this will be go there, this will be go there. So x is equal to 4.1231 plus 4, x is equal to minus 4 minus 4.1231 plus 4. Now roots are 8.1231. Okay, 8.1231 and minus 0.1231 and minus 0.1231. Then we will do the 10-step round off. So here will come x is equal to 8.12 Then x is equal to minus 0.12. So roots are 8.12 or minus 0.12, and this is become our final answer. So the book answers are written. You can check it. 8.12 minus 0.12 minus 0.12. It simply means this is correct. Okay. Thank you. No like, no subscribe, only share.